Good morning, good afternoon. We began this discussion by talking about harnessing time. My work in Excel does exactly that, not through complex astronomy, but through pure, robust mathematics. The core principle of this system is deceptively simple. The consistency of the 7-day loop is the engine that allows my spreadsheet to accurately predict any weekday. We can increase or reduce days in a year. The calendar adjusts for leap years, but we can never skip a single weekday. Monday always follows Sunday, invariably. That is the fundamental, unbroken thread I've harnessed. I have customized years and centuries separately, according to weekdays, and observed that years tend to align with only 4 specific days of the week. Because this mathematical integrity holds true infinitely in both directions, I've been able to extend the framework far beyond the initial 22 million years. This perpetual calendar can accurately project 100 million years into the future and reach back millions of years BC. The calculation works because the logic is sound and the 7-day cycle is constant. However, when we do this, it's crucial to understand a vital historical distinction. My calendar provides the mathematical equivalent, but it does not account for the actual calendars used by ancient people. 10,000 years ago, civilizations used lunar cycles, market cycles, like the Roman 8-day week, or observation-based systems, not the modern Gregorian rules we use today. There was no universal standard. Many cultures had different starting points and different year lengths. My framework acts as a universal converter, a single reference point. It provides a consistent, logical system to benchmark those ancient claims, showing what that historical day would be if our current rules had existed continuously. Once you've grasped this simple calendar, you'll likely be eager to pass it on to future generations. It's an incredible tool for visualizing deep time and comparing historical timelines on an objective scale. The simple logic of a rolling 7-day week, encoded in an Excel sheet, proves that some patterns in our universe, even human-created ones, are truly perpetual. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe, as you always wish.